up guys, I'm Bella and welcome to another Sims video. Today we are going to be making Sommer and Cali in The Sims. I don't know if I'm going to get to all the other characters, but I know I'm going to get to Sommer and Cali. If you're not familiar with Sommer and Cali, check out Sommer and Cali at My Froggy Stuff on YouTube. It's a doll soap opera, and yes, this is totally a plug. Speaking of plugs, if you want to, you can follow me on Instagram at Bella of My Froggy Stuff, where I post random stuff and stuff I draw. So let's get started. Let's start out with Summer Darby. We have a bare sim here, no hair, terrible skin, no makeup, but amazing eyebrows. These eyebrows we're keeping those. They're amazing. I've already had her aspirations or personality traits set. She is a dirty, self-absorbed sci-fi writer. To me, that is extremely accurate to the story, so we're gonna keep those. I don't think I could have done it any better. That is exactly her in a nutshell. So, we're gonna start with the skin. We're gonna fix this. We're gonna go for my go-to. Very simple. It just kind of meshes all the features together, which I like. We're gonna go for this nose mask here to just make her seem a little different than the other Sims who will have the exact same skin. Cause I'm not doing different skins. Yeah. So eye bags because she's tired. She's a college student. I mean, there's no way she's getting a full night of rest. There's no way she should be. She should be doing her homework. And also we need eyelids. I'm not sure what we're gonna do for these eyelids. Like, should we do eyelids? Should we not do eyelids? I don't know if I even like them. Like, do we like that? Yeah, we'll do that. We'll do this. Okay, next up is hair. We're just gonna go down like the roster thing here. She has this two-tone hair. I have this one, but I honestly don't think I downloaded the other hair color, so we're just gonna go for this one, which I know I did download. Do I need it? Should it be lighter, or you know what? Who cares? We're gonna make it this color, and we're gonna make it blonde, the little streak blonde. Spot on, right there. Honestly, that should be her hairstyle. I actually really into this. She would totally do like whatever weird fad is going on at the moment. She'd be all over that. Her hair would fall out because of how often she dyes it. Okay, so eyelashes. We need eyelashes and accessories. Eyelashes. Where is it? Well, I know. Oh, they're in glasses. Okay, so there we go. These eyelashes. We're gonna go with the softer ones because like they're just, I don't know. It's just less going on her face. We don't want a ton going on. We just want enough to where it's like, huh, you know? But we don't want to like have too much. I don't want it to be distracting. I want you to be able to look at her face and it to be like clear and concise. We're gonna go for blush. I know for a fact she has this crazy bright red lipstick, this super bright pink eyeshadow, and also she has bright lipstick and blush, a really, really pigmented blush. So I have to go for something really pigmented. I think that's too much though. Maybe this one. This one is, oh, that's not, no. No, we'll just go for that. It's subtle, but it works. I wish I could turn it up. I can't turn it up. Great. I think that's a highlight. Yeah, that's a highlight. We're gonna go for this, I guess. I wish I could get something a bit more, like, a bit more serious, a bit more, like, out there. Maybe that. No, we'll just go for the one I picked in the first place. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna do this, and eyeliner. So should we do the eyeliner, or should we do eyeshadow? I kind of am feeling eyeliner, because eyeshadow, I think it'd just be too much. So we're gonna go for we're gonna go for this. Or no. Let's go for this one. This one has a purple version. Well, but you can't tell it's purple. We'll do this one. This one's pink. Nope. Okay, we'll just go for the first one I did. I should just trust my gut. We're gonna go for this one. This first one I did here. There we go. And cheeks did that. Lips. Bright red lipstick. Bright red lipstick. I've never been one for bright lipstick, red lipstick, but I think it's because I just can't find my color. Like, you know? But yeah. So, oh, that's too much. We need it to still match her skin tone. There we go. I'm into that. It's very red. Very red. I like it. Okay, next we're doing eyes. Her eyes are, I feel, my gut instinct is brown, but they definitely could not be brown. So I think they're brown though. I think they're brown or black, one of those. I do love these eyes, and I want to use them, so regardless of if her eyes are this color, we're gonna do this color because my favorite eyes. I also like to make the Sims pupils humongous. Like no one's pupils are this big. Actually, some people's pupils are this big, but I really like it. It makes her look like she's not human, but still is human, humanoid. You know what I mean? Next up is clothes. She has this tank top thing going on. I think that her style is sort of, it's geeky. It's like geek t-shirt, ripped jeans. She still wears skinny jeans, or does she? Does she still wear skinny jeans, or is she up to date? If she's dyeing her hair every 5 seconds, she would know that skinny jeans are out. So we're gonna say that she wears baggy jeans. She needs a graphic t-shirt of some sort. Let's go for, we have this one here, which isn't really a graphic t-shirt. I literally downloaded one, like I vividly remember doing it. Where is it? I got this shirt, I finally found it. I downloaded this specifically for this video. So yeah, we have this 80s party shirt, and now we're looking for jeans or a skirt. I'm not, is she a skirt girl? Is she not? There's some jeans here, but there's no, I feel like the lack of belts is annoying me. So we have to find some sort of pants with a belt of some sort. I think I have this one, but these are skinny jeans. They look bad though. Okay, what if we have, I did have this pleated skirt that I really like that I think I'm gonna put her in. Even though we've established that she's not necessarily a skirt girl, I think that she would wear this. I think that anybody would wear this because it's just a great outfit. I think we're gonna do this. Yeah, right here. This right here. We're doing it. Okay, this is a great outfit. And so now we're gonna go for the shoes. Is she sandals? Is she sneakers? I think she's sneakers because sneakers are fast. This person has based their entire life on convenience. So I think we're gonna do sneakers and make them colorful. I mean, she kind of would buy her things to match, would she not? Yeah. The white is a little too basic. She doesn't want to be basic, but she doesn't want to draw too much attention to herself. So I think these are good shoes for that. Yeah, kind of flashy, but like makes sense. You know what I mean? So here's Summer, done, complete. What do you think? I like the outfit, even though the skirt might be a little uncharacteristic. Is that even the way to say that? No, the skirt might be off character. There we go. For her, but I think it works. I think just for the whole vibe, it's a thing that needs to happen. So yeah, here is Summer. Next up is Cali. Cali also already has her aspirations and traits done because I'm a forward thinker. So she is an academic. She is creative. She loves art and she's a perfectionist. If you notice, there are no bad traits here because she's basically me, and I don't have any bad traits. Like, come on. Okay, let's get some skin details on her because we need her skin to be flawless. I've already put this thing on, and now we need a nose mask because we don't want her looking exactly the same as her sister. Because again, I will not be using other skins. Like, I don't have them. I do not have the facilities for that. Please, no. We'll do that. Yeah, much better. Okay. Eyelashes. We gotta go through this. We know what to do. Eyelashes, eye bags. You can say it a lot faster than you can do it. Eye bags, eyelashes. I have to fix her eyelids. She does, in fact, have eyelids. Where are the eyelashes? What am I doing? Eyelashes and eyelids. Do I want to give her eyelids? I can. But this eyelid overlay I have, like, it's just doing weird things. We'll do that. Yeah, subtle. Okay, and makeup. Or no, should we fix these eyebrows? I'm not really feeling these eyebrows for some reason. I kind of want to give her Summer's eyebrows. No, we'll go back to the normal ones. What am I doing? Oh yeah, we'll do that. Okay, so my makeup. For makeup, Cali is way more natural with it, I think, and I want to give her freckles because I just feel like freckles match her character. And also, I want freckles. Like, I wish I had freckles. So, we're gonna give her freckles. Where are they? I literally downloaded some specifically for this. Oh, way too much. Yeah, there we go. Perfect! Oh, she's so cute. Okay, freckles, and let's do some makeup. She definitely has blush. I feel like she doesn't do a ton of makeup because she's always studying. Okay, blush. We have blush. We have like a lip tint sort of vibe, and some mascara. Oh, duh, mascara. And she has some eyeliner, just some subtle eyeliner. Or I think I did the glossy, like, I think it was like the glossy thing for the. Oh, we're doing that. What's this? What is that? Oh. Whatever, I don't even know. I don't even remember downloading half this stuff. Like, what even is this? Okay. Well, let's do some eyeliner. Baby has some eyeliner, some like subtle eyeliner. She wouldn't spend too long on it. Oh, what did I do? There we go. Oh, wow, she's so cute. Okay, cheeks. We have this one gives her skin a little more texture. So maybe you want to go with that and then just turn it down a bit. By the way, I love that they added these sliders because like most of the makeup in here is like super intense, and then you can like put it onto the sim and you can just slide it down a bit. That is probably the best thing the Sims has ever done. I literally love that. Okay, and eyes. Oh, lips. She has like a lip tint on, something subtle. Maybe we'll go for this one and then just turn it down. We'll just turn this down. No, none of that that doesn't even know. That's not gonna work. We'll just do this one. Oh, no, here we go. Yeah, we'll do this and we'll just turn it down a bit. Yeah, oh my gosh, that's so cute. I'm literally going crazy about how adorable I've just made her. Okay, and her eyes. Her eyes are brown. I thought her eyes were green because Chloe's eyes were green, but this person's or Cali's eyes are brown. So we're gonna make them brown. It's like a lighter brown. Oh, that's like a chestnut. I think we'll go for this brown. Yeah. Oh, she looks sad now. Why does she look so sad? Why does she look sad? We'll do this. Oh, there she looks mean. Okay, well, mean is better than sad. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna do her hair. Her hair is in a top bun sort of thing. I know for a fact I do not have that. So I do have some buns. They're all curly. This one's actually really cute. They're all curly. And I do have like this sort of thing. Is she a braids girl? No, she's not. She would not be spending that much time on her hair. That's a lot of like work for her. She's always studying. I do have this down here, which I think would match her pretty well. That's the sort of thing you do when your hair was down and you're reading and it gets in your face and you just like, you know, that's what she's doing here. So I think we're gonna use that. I don't think there's anything else that really would suit her better. There's this, but that has bangs, and I don't think that, yeah, her character doesn't have bangs. I kinda wish she did. I like bangs. Bangs are cute. Okay, well, we're gonna go for this. This is safe, this is nice. Is her hair black or is it brown? I kinda wanna make it black to match her eyebrows. I think we're gonna do black. Yeah. So that was hair. And now, not her being jacked. I'm gonna keep it. And so now we're gonna do clothing. She is scholarly. I'm absolutely in love with this. What? Would she even wear this though? It's like one of the things where it's a t-shirt and then a cardigan tied around the top. I would wear this. I would wear this totally. I just need to find a cardigan. Like, I don't own any cardigans for some reason. There's also this, but like this shirt. I think she would totally wear that. Oh yeah, she would totally wear that. And then you have these sweater vests. I want to put her in this. Right here. Yeah. This is what we're doing. Okay. We have all these stripe patterns. I don't think she would do a stripe pattern. I think she would do like a normal, kind of bland. She just throw it on. She's not super fashionable, but what she picks works. You know? And she's into green, because I'm into green. Honestly, this color right here, I could wear that for the rest of my life. And I'd be okay with it. Maybe these pants here? No. Maybe, but no. We have these pants. Oh, if they were more tan. Oh yeah, okay. I like this. I like this right now. I wish they connected, but what are you gonna do, right? We'll deal with it. Okay, and her boots, shoes. Well, would she wear boots? Because I would wear boots. Oh, no she wouldn't. She would wear Birkenstocks and sandal Doc Martens. Let's be honest with ourselves. She's not a boots girl. She's a Birkenstock girl. Where are they? Right here. Those aren't Birkenstocks though. I mean, maybe they are. They look more like Doc Martens to me, but they might be Birkenstocks. Who knows? Sandals are sandals at this point. So yeah, I think that is what is going on with her. Oh, she has a watch on. Why? Okay. I think that's Cali right there. Oh, earrings. Yeah, she would totally wear some chunky earrings. Do I have any? Is the question. Yeah. There we go. Yeah. Oh, she's so cute. Okay, yeah. That's Cali. I changed her sweater because this one's a lot cuter. A lot cuter. I really like it. And we're gonna add some pearls while we're at it. Here we go. Some pearls. Is there a gold? Yeah, we got that one's black. No, gold. Yeah. Now she's an Upper East Sider though. Now she's some rich kid that goes to NYU. But we're okay with that. I mean, honestly, I'm really here for it. So yeah, that's Cali Darby right there. Artist, extraordinaire, perfectionist, academic, Upper East Sider. So here we have Sommer and Cali. Sommer Darby, an astrophysics major who is only learning astrophysics to write sci-fi novels. For some reason, I don't know how she got into an Ivy League, but she did. Cali Darby, I mean, we all know how she got into an Ivy League. She's Cali Darby. I mean, she wouldn't be going anywhere else. And she wrote her essay on about how she saved baby turtles in Guatemala for like 3 summers in a row, and how she has changed the world through an app that she made when she was 3 years old. So yeah, that's Cali Darby going to school for computer science. She doesn't look like she goes to school for computer science, but she definitely does. Both of them at top colleges, rooming together, eventually maybe hating each other. I don't know. We'll see what goes on in the show. It's a little rocky right now, but all in all, great fashion sense. Thanks per moi. So, well, that is a wrap, guys. Thank you for joining me for another Sims 4 video. If you want me to make the rest of the cast, make sure to leave it in the comments down below. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog, and you can follow me on Instagram at BellaofMyFroggyStuff. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!